Last little tap.
We finally broke it. Ooh.
Some more iron.
This one looks pretty cool.
Quartz.
We're gonna do it again.
This guy.
Oh. Wait.
What?
A little piece came off.
That's fine.
Right here. This one looks pretty cool.
That's fine.
Wait, there's a big gem.
It's right in there.
Ow. Something just flew at me. So this is what we have for these little crystals. I don't know.
Look how hard that geode was.
And then
This is one of those Milwaukee industrial beaters.
And then this is what came off.
It's crazy.
This one is like pretty cool.
Alright, go ahead.